what day? I think it's day 6 for me in Japan, and then we arrived in Sapporo. So we rode a Shinkansen all the way from Hakodate, which was my last vlog, and then sekarang we arrived in Sapporo, glistening with snow, and I'm just telling you right now, and the kids are playing right now. Look, the kids are playing. It's glistening with powder. So we're about to have lunch in Sapporo. Let's do it. Let's have lunch in Sapporo style. And they say they got beer is nice here. They say the ramen is nice here. They say let's see what kind of food that we can actually eat in Sapporo. Talk to you soon. Bye. Food review. How?
Who's you asked already? Bayu Lesmana, apa gitu?
Bayu udah.
Irresistible.
Cannot say anything.
Okay, I tell you something. I just had the most fantastic curry soup lunch I ever tasted in Japan. Let me tell you, there's this place called we are in Sapporo, by the way, not in Tokyo. So if you ever go to Sapporo, there's this place called this. Ini ejaannya gimana ya? Sage. There's this place called Swage. Let me show you. Right there. So there's this place called Swage, and then they sell curry soup with rice. So I'll tell you how the system it works. Jadi di sini you can order chicken, you can order pork, you can order lamb. You can also order vegetarian for those of you yang hanya makan vegetables. And then as you order, you will get to know the soupnya itu, is it mild or spicy or pretty spicy or very spicy or extreme spicy. Kepedasannya itu, your spicy level you can actually choose also. And then after that, the next step is you choose your rice. Your rice itu ada small, medium, sama large. Okay? Depending on the grams of the rice you order. Now, after you order that and actually come by and actually show you, I've shown you what the curry is all about, right? It's not the curry Japanese yang thick, tapi it's the curry Japanese yang cair, and it's quite nice. And then the rice also sedikit berbeda karena nasinya itu ada campuran herbs dan lain sebagainya. It's really good actually. So if you go to Sapporo, please do come by and eat to this place. So I put the description down below, and so you can actually come by and have a bite to eat. Karena we slaughtered. Kita mesen nasi berapa, mesen chicken lagi, mesen pork lagi. So we actually slaughtered the whole. It was really nice, let me tell you. Just nice because Sapporo is a very cold place. Tempatnya dingin dan lagi salju di luar. Lagi raining salju. So we decided to stay in and have a bit of soup for us to eat, and it turned out it's a very nice place. Small place, tight, nggak terlalu banyak orang yang tahu, dan lu juga tempatnya ini di lantai 4 harus naik lift, and gitu lah. It's a small tempatnya yang kecil, orang nggak banyak tahu. Tapi pas you get here, you really know the food is really good. I mean Tokyo, Japan is all about that, kan? Yang tempatnya kecil, tapi makanannya enak. That's what. Karena tourist places, tempat-tempat turis is all so old news. Right? Anyway, after this we might go to one other cities yang ada di Sapporo. It's a city further away from here. Let's see if we're going to go there. I really want to go there sih. Tapi kita lihat ntar semuanya mau pergi atau enggak, right? So nice lunch, good food, fantastic people, kind people, good stuff. Sage, I give you 2 thumbs up, 4 if I can. Okay, bye. Okay. So we are going to a chocolate factory after this. One of the famous chocolate factory also in Sapporo. Let's take a look. Sign-nya sih udah kelihatan dari jauh. Tapi kan gue bilang 600 meters, so we should be walking there. With this extreme weather, let me tell you. This is damn freezing cold, man. I've never been this cold before. It's like totally freezing cold. Got snow all over up in my face. Anyway, I'll talk to you when I get there. Bye. Excited? Oh, okay.
His name is Zero equal to Lampedusa. Lampedusa is French.
It's French. Yeah.
Yes, and then it means the past town.
Oh, okay. Okay.
まず1枚のハートのクッキーを裏返しにして日本語大
少ししかできないんですか？じゃあ、turn
1枚1クッキー
turn over
on chocolate on cookie
Okay.
で、すごく薄くて割れやすいです。Be careful.
Okay, it's easy to break. Jadi hati-hati ya, guys.
Then hold, turn.
Like that. That's how to do it.
Okay.
You lift, hold, and turn. Slowly, slowly.
So hard.
Slowly. Hold it. Nah, hold it di depan.
Hold it?
Ya. Jangan langsung dilepas ya. Jangan langsung dilepas. Di flip it over.
Then
Flip pelan-pelan, 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 pelan-pelan. Yes. Alright.
ではもう一度クッキーを
And satu lagi angkat cookie-nya. Slowly. Slowly, dipegangin, diputernya, pegangin, jangan langsung lepas. Yes, good job.
Oke.
Coba ngeliat ke sini. Ngeliat ke sini dua-duanya. Right, enak ya? Oishi desu.
食べ終わったら手袋
Kamu bisa buka yang di bawah, yang minta di bawah.
結構袋
Kalau udah, nggak, itu ditaruh dulu, terus buka dulu. Habis itu dilap tangannya pakai tisunya. Itu di mulut anaknya. Enak banget. Apa? Enak banget.
enak banget.
Itu di mulutnya ada sesuatu. Sebelah sini. Lagi. Sini. Nah.
クッキー割れやすいのでこもって位置を変えないようにお願いします。
You wanna borrow my one?
Oh, this is better. What should I draw? I'm confused. Oh no, it's not straight. Play some of the cooking.
Please.
I literally can ask us anyone.
Gue mau review sebentar nih. Gila. Gue di satu ramen namanya Horyu Ramen yang ada di Sapporo. It's very close to my hotel. Dan ramennya itu only serve 4 menu. Cuma ada 4 menu, which is 3 miso sama 1 yang namanya shoyu ramen. So, I ordered the miso ramen. Video clip yang sebelumnya yang gue lihat miso ramen yang gue order really bagus banget. Gue pas tau malam very good, very recommended. Gak jauh dari hotel. Description nama restorannya gue taruh di description yang paling bawah di channelnya gue. It's really good, let me tell you. Dan yang buat ramennya udah mau hampir dekat surga. Tapi enak banget sumpah, nggak bohong, enak, like top the notch, enak banget sumpah. But anyway, I'll talk to you right soon. Dan gue kasih tahu, gue akan cari sejarahnya nih, and I'll put it up on the blog, okay? Review.
Mie-nya oke, dimasak dengan suhu yang pas. Bumbunya oke, Ladanya, minyaknya pas. Jadi kalau ke Sapporo bisa datang ke sini.
Kita banyak artis juga datang sini.
Oh, artis juga datang.
Banyak artis juga datang sini. Mantap bang. Mantap bang.
One of the best. Corn butter.
Alhamdulillah enak banget. Sumpah enak banget. Jadi ntar gue kasih lihat anak-anak pernah makan apa yang di belakang. Bye.
Ma, minjem minumannya, Ma. So I gotta tell you, so this store actually sells a drink, and this store has my name on it. It's my name, Ricky, on it, and I went to buy one drink, and it's a really cool name. Yes, one at a time. Yes, my name. Yes, really cool. So anyway, I ordered makanan, minuman di sini with the store yang namanya Ricky. Anyway, it's freezing cold and Sapporo is pouring down snow, and we won't go to the hotel yet because kita masih mau jalan-jalan. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. My social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.